Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys how to download this new EA app on Windows 10. They just recently updated it, just so you know. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and switch on over to my computer and show you guys how to download this new EA app on Windows 10. So here we are onto my computer. Alright, so you need to go to this website right here. Alright, so if you are a Windows user, all you have to do is click on this one for Windows, but if you're Mac, you click on this one too. Okay, just so you know, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click on this one right here. It says download the EA app. Alright, so let's go ahead and click on it. Okay, and then you should have this down here, show in folder, and then you have this downloader thing here. Going to click the top one, and then it should looks like this, and it says your games, your friends, your heroes, blah 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 blah. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's go. And then if you get an administrator, just say yes. And it's quite simple with this new EA app. It's pretty cool. I haven't tried it yet, so that's why I'm downloading it today to show you guys. Just so you know, I did a video not too long ago about the other EA app, but that's like no more. Okay, so yeah, we're installing this new one today. Installing the EA app. So here we go. Alright, everything is loading up. So this is what it looks like when it's all finished. Okay, so you have to sign into your EA account with whatever, which one that you want. With me, I'm just gonna sign in normal. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign in, and then I'll show you guys what the EA app is all finished. Okay. Alright. So I signed into the EA app here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Just gonna do a little quick tour on it, what it looks like. Just so you know, this is the home browser. You get my collection and all that stuff. Kind of like on Steam. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is all the games that are installed onto my computer. Got all the Battlefield games and stuff like that. And then these are the friends list on the other side. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, so anyways, I think that's pretty much it today about on how to download the new EA app on Windows 10. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.